Every day you get invited to Wembley Stadium, but to have a picnic on the pitch, we're here for the thank you day. So guys, where are we going to pick? We're the first here at Wembley. We've got the pick of the whole pitch. Oh, there's people there.
No, let's go that way. No, let's go that way.
Which goal are we going to?
Well, you can see where we're going, can't you?
We're going centre. Yes. We're going to go right on the dot. Is there a dot?
Oh, we've got it.
Is there a centrepiece?
Take both of them with this tennis.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Right. Only one place we were going.
Stadium. Love it. Here at Wembley Stadium, having a picnic in the park, and we've got to do some photos. But we need your help because we're currently arguing on the centre pitch. The question is, does the official photo go this way, or does it go this way? When you're strong, I'll be your friend. Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Here we go. Sweet Caroline. So that's all the video I got, but I got some of these random photos during the day. So there we are, just a brief overlook of what we did at the amazing Jubilee lunch at Wembley Stadium. It was a great event, and yeah, all in all, brilliant. And if you get invited to any of these awesome events, not just scouting events, let me know. Tag me in your Instagram posts, your Facebook posts, your YouTube posts. I really want to see what we get up to as scouts. And can you outbid me and having a picnic at Wembley Stadium? Have you done something better? Let me know.